Hi friends, here we are given a Fibonacci series and the difference of 7th and 6th terms is 5 and 7. And what is the 10th term? What is the Fibonacci series? It is when every term is the sum of previous two terms except probably the first two terms. From the third term onwards, every term is the sum of the previous two terms. Right. In this case, A7 and A6, the difference of the squares is 5 and 7. Right, a7 square minus a6 square is 517. What does that mean? A7 minus a6 into a7 plus a6, right? A minus b into a plus b is 517. And 517, we know it can be split in 11 and 47. Right, there are not many ways to split 517. 11 and 47 is the way. Right, what does that mean? A7 minus a6 is 11 and a7 plus a6 is 47. Obviously, difference is less of that, the sum. Right. What does that mean? When we add both of this, 2a7 equals 47 plus 11, 58. That means a7 equals 58 by 2, which is 29. That means a6 is 29 minus 11, which is 18. So now we know what is a6, what is a7. We just have to calculate the 10th term. Sixth term we know, seventh term we know, eighth term is 7 plus 6, that is 29 plus 18, 47. Ninth term is 47 plus 29, which is 76. 10th term is 76 plus 47, which is 120. So this is a correct answer. It's pretty straightforward problem. We just need to know, we just need to identify that this is difference of squares and be able to write like this and split this by something into the factors. We just need to identify that there are not much factors of 517. This is the only way. Right guys? Simple problem, but important problem.